As you can see, just about ready for the inspector. Kicking in. Gotta finish, install these plates here. That's what I'm gonna do now. Install those plates. The back and front. Corner state code. You cut a stud all the way through. You have to have FHA plates. So that's what those are. Okay. Oh, and another thing, cap the oil drain there. I don't know if you can see that. One there. Kept the waters last night. Also, this is the next morning. It's actually Tuesday. It's as the water ran, jumped up, hit the washer box there. So now that's completed. Got the standpipe for the vent. And the water's in here. It's tied together, then looped again over there with no joints in the floor. Got the shower here. Scroll around. We have to put some air in that balloon there, that yellow cap there. Put some air in that and go ahead and get the water on and get this thing filled up and get it ready for inspection. Like the FHA plate there. And I have two here. One on either side. Friendly neighbor using the toilet there. Well, you can hear that, but yeah, so the toilet's in there, sink's in there. That's gonna be plugged. There's an old drain. The old one's gonna be plugged off. People next door is down there, protruding through the wall, opposite direction. Okay. Okay, so this one went pretty quickly. Okay. So just wanted to catch you up on what's going on. Check back in with y'all later. That being said, AC out. Shalom.
Hello, you